I dey pity for you.
You carry me up, mark me for ground. Devil, I see you. Hey, devil, I see you. Physically, devil, I see you. Oh, devil, I see you. Devil, I see you. Physically, devil, I see you. Oh, devil, I see you. This your wife is never the king. Hey, I'm going to get check.
See punishment when madam carry come meet us like come and teach her. Profu!
Carol.
See your food. Your food don't ready.
What is this? What nonsense is this?
No be nonsense be this so. Na coconut rice so.
Is this what you call coconut rice?
Yes.
Rice with pieces of coconut on top of it?
Now wetin madam tell me I cook, na I cook. Name be coconut rice so.
How in God's name can a chef in a gigantic mansion like this not understand the simple ethnology of edibility? You see, this is why I call you guys shenanigans, especially those two hoodlums.
People I say they like use big grammar, they eat food way sweet so. Oga eat food and leave grammar. Eat food do.
You see, Carol, I know what your problem is. You lack what they call social etiquette. That is why you are making me to talk while I'm eating.
If I know say na this kind big grammar where go they bro they eat this kind food why suffer cook. The kind pepper why for add for this food eh? The kind pepper where me cannot suppose add for this food. You know go see maths. Speak this grammar where they speak give me like this. If it's my carry plate they go.
Now you see, Carol, before I open my eyes, you must have vanished from this place.
My carry the food they vanish join them.
You want to carry this food?
May they speak your grammar they go.
Scariwa.
Thank you.
Barbarian.
Thank you.
Nincompoop.
Thank you.
You should be thanking your star that I'm eating your food.
My sister, how did you see this place?
Very wonderful.
Not that dining. That's too tough for us. We can't even eat. We do like this, you know?
I don't like staying at that dining. Whenever I sit on that chair, I'll build up. My leg will not reach
I'm
ground.
telling you. Do you know the name of this stew?
Yes.
What's the name?
You know, is it the Igbo name or the English one?
The English name now.
It's banga stew now.
Banga stew. Okay, can you tell me the Igbo name?
It's Ofa.
Yes. So you still remember?
I cannot even cook it.
take all the water. Come and eat again. Nonsense people. Every day they go cook food in this house. They go carry small thing put for us. When I go consider here because madam they give una plenty money. When I go buy, come here. What thing happen to dining? Of course, I see the other day where you dey for dining. Come on, the straight hand. I know say na him make una come outside here consider. Ye girls, now ye children. See fat meat. See better meat. I want to record on himself. Only him boy has none. Next time we go know how to respect yourself.
Did you really go Joe? Uncle Pius like us. What's up? It's on your face there like this. No, I know say you dey stingy for your 2 leg. She don't get belly. What's up?
Na thunder go fire that your mouth. Now you give me bereni.
Cool your mind now. What's happen? Eh?
No be that filo.
What you do? That feel what you do?
If you say the kind insult what that man give me, if you say the kind insult what that man give me, Carolina, nothing where that man no come you. For this house, I don't see me find person trouble before.
Mbara, na only trouble now you dey find. You dey find trouble. What you do?
I give the man food though.
Yeah.
This man put him mouth call me idiot.
Who do?
This man curse my papa, curse my grandpapa, my grandmama, nobody where this man don't curse. See me tell you. If you see what this man call you and Pius, two of now gonna get bad for.
See you give am waiting.
So now because of the food where I give him more.
The food. Wait, I dey come o. Despite say we know say your food dey cause earthquake for belle, even the burial food wey I dey chop for my village sef, dey better pass your food. No be wetin go make am curse you. I know say your food na Iroko tree, dey grow well for belle, but no be wetin go make am dey curse you. Sorry, no vex. Wetin you come do am after then?
Na thunder go fire that your mouth. Na thunder go fire that your mouth. I even say na me and person stand there dey talk sef. I no even know say na me and person wey keep leg like cat. If you talk finish, enter kitchen go carry your food. Me Karo, I no go anywhere go bring anything no.
You know, go give me my food.
Go kitchen, go carry your food. I dey vex like this, so I dey vex.
Wetin make I cross here? Food won't kill me for gate. And na that food na just dey turn my belle anyhow. We dey know say dey manage dey consider your food, so I go dey promote your promotion for this house. If I no chop your food now, Oga fit sack you. Because only me be the only chief security officer wey dey test any food wey dey for around this place. If I chop finish, Oga say na the best. Oga go believe me. Na him make I dey consider you. Na me keep you here. Without me eating your food, you don't think you lose your job. So just go inside now, make you consider me. But that will not be the matter, sir. You see that person, you don't tell why they target that guy. You don't tell why they target him. Come, even me. No talk, say I talk. I don't know what happen for this family. To God, since we dey employ me and Pius for this family, I don't wonder see what be the problem. Okay, see madam relative, all of them ekapon vene. See madam daughter, that one.
That one na cat, na premature cat.
Like mosquito when you see blood suck. Madam son, that one. Hey, Sodom and Gomorrah. Madam herself, that one. Chief commander of army staff. No see the way she dey command. I come see I ask you. Ada you go tell me the truth. Madam no marry. And I dey watch this compound. Man know that I go see even burial ground where they bury Madam Oga. I no see. That woman no marry. What happen?
Come, what be your name, Nebu? Abi? Nebu Abi? See my armpit, nothing dead there. Enter kitchen go carry your food. But you see that filo? I no go forgive that man. No. Me, Carolina, I no go forgive that man.
Now my salary they wait for. If I collect my salary now, I feel use my hand quit this job. I'm about it today. Hey, big two.
Who confiscated my clothes?
Who do?
I said who confiscated my clothes because I can't seem to find them.
Come on, make I even ask you. If they confiscate, circulate, what did they talk? You dey confiscate your clothes. Now you come dey ask.
Don't you dare talk back at me, please.
You even get luck say you even wear towel come out. That time when God call Adam, where are you now? Say that class say I be naked person. No be so. You suppose even dey naked come out. You can't disturb us for you.
Don't talk back at me, please. I'm warning you.
Okay, what you go do? What do you come here? Come the open eye like rat wey chop rat poison.
You can move.
Eh? You see your clothes for our body. If person suffocate your clothes, now so you come here come the suffer people. Your name na philosopher. So clothes supposed suffer. The clothes don't suffer for your hand. Yes, I got leaking.
Who do?
Give me a towel. The woman be anga net.
Blue headache anaconda.
What can be go? Pick it you.
It is obvious that you boys are playing with me. But watch me, Watch me. See in this house, I'll show you guys. I will show you guys in this house. You cannot try me.
Wait till we never see. We don't see everything. Not be that smart thing. We be like toy. I will show my quarrel. Wait till you go show us. Nonsense. You not even happy. What till we never see. Not be that smart thing. Where they go show us again.
Carrots.
I do you carry. Your mate na cucumber. God take bless them.
Ogologo.
Quick and center of your leg.
Yes.
Get go take. I will show you guys. I will show you. Your mate. Go and see Boko. If you call it teaching a Boko, they walk out.
Anaconda.
Anaconda. You only the waka not in. Okay, go on. Oh, we may more. He may more than I'm really. Come here. Cloth don't suffer for your body. You never see anything. Should be one suffer us. You go see suffer. The next time he got to attack Adam and Eve. He got to take it to cover a little wagon. If I don't do it, make I die.
You go die, my brother. Adam, where are you now? Or you about to Cambo? Or here go very soon.
From my foundings, all his clothes were soaked. And it's obvious that one of you did it, if not all of you. So I ask, who did it? Pius. I said, who did it?
Madam, I didn't did it too. I didn't did it. Ndibem, did I did it?
You didn't do it.
We did it.
Me, Nebu, seated. I want to put him care. Sorry, ma. Here. Two. Me, Nedu. What? Philosopher. Come. Who? Suffocation, my clothes. Authority. Two of we say we didn't suffer your clothes. We didn't suffer your clothes. I suffer myself. I can't suffer clothes again. We suffer not. Suffer us.
We suffer not.
God in heaven knows I don't understand a bit of what you just vomited. Carol.
Yes, ma.
Who did it?
Madam, the cloth weren't worn by ourselves.
Now what would I need here? Would I giant I need?
Madam, we wouldn't wearing his cloth. He soak inside water. He sleep. He naked. He come. He pass. He go. He cloth, ma.
Madam, what thing she tried to talk? Be say, no, you take eye sleep. Oh, Januara, sleep eye. Soak you get any me water. They told you she somewhere now. How would I need a year?
You must be very stupid to say that.
See that one na big offense for cut of floor. Before my Lord and my God, na big offense.
Shut that gutter you call a man.
Yes, ma'am.
Idiot. Now listen, all of you. Since none of you accepted to have done it, I will deduct your salaries and add it to his. Simple. Yes. Now get out of my sight.
Kamaragi bata Kiwe Gidioko Dajo, Kasalara Ibagote.
Before I open my eyes and you are still here, I will deduct extra from your salaries. Idiot! Get out of my sight! And you, find something and cover yourself and stop walking around my compound like a chimpanzee. Be fast about it!
Okay, so we're going to be moving over to the topic of the day. What's that?
Egg of life. It's a one layer. Go on.
Continue, sir.
That's by the way. So we're moving over to the topic of the day, which is present tense and past tense. Present tense and past tense, these are verb-like tenses. A verb is an action word. So when you talk about a present tense or a past tense, it means actions that has happened before or actions that are happening now. Like we're here now, teaching you guys today. Stop that. I'm teaching you guys today. It is happening now, so it is a present tense. What happened yesterday, what happened before you came to this class is past. It's a past tense. So, Nebu, let me start with you. Give me an example of a present tense and also an example of a past tense. English.
Before, my papa na past gate man. You understand them now? Me now, I can't be present gate man. Me say all things has pass away. Now new things will pass aside, which means everything pass around, which is pass everywhere. Too much reason.
Quiet. Please. English. English in my class. Proper English. Caro? Huh? Yes. Give me an example of a present tense and a past tense.
Huh. Our Firo? Now wicked man. Present. Soon. Unto rest in peace. Past tense.
What do you mean by that?
It means I see that. Ya one ya one weekend
Any more misconduct from any of you, it will attract heavy consequence. Pius, now give me correctly an example of a present tense and a past tense.
The village girl I talk unto is belled by Tanwine Tapa. Ya wonye na enyonko atowadi ime. Girl past tense. Now present particulars. Relationship scatter. Yawo gonna present particulars.
What is wrong with you guys? Everyone should kneel down. All of you kneel down. Now. I said kneel. If you disobey me, you are disobeying your boss. And I will make sure I report you guys this minute. And I'll see to it that all of you are sacked. I said kneel down. I work so hard. I stay awake all night reading dictionary, reading every textbook that I can find, so I can help you speak eloquently, so I can help you have knowledge. What do you guys do? You front all my effort. You make me suffer in vain. You know what? You know we kneel down for the rest of this class. Yes, if that is the only way you guys can learn. You like it the hard way, then we'll go that way. We'll go the hard way. We'll take it the hard way. What rubbish! Now, we're going to continue with verb. I told you that present tense and past tense are verb-like. Verb-like. Repeat after me. I said verb-like. I said repeat after me.
I said repeat after me.
I said verb-like.
I said verb-like.
I can see that none of you wants to learn.
I can see that none of you wants to learn.
Oh, that's how you want it.
Oh, that's how you want it.
Give me your hand.
Give me your hands.
Give me your hand.
Give me your hands.
Okay.
Okay.
I see.
I see.
What is wrong with you people?
What is wrong with you people?
Oh, I'm done. I'm taking this to your boss.
I'm done. I'm taking this to your boss.
I'm done.
I'm
You are
done.
done.
Hey, yeah, I'm done.
You are done.
Hey, you go.
You're working out on me?
I'm not going to blame her. That's when madam look me finish. She look me finish into my face. Come open her mouth, they talk say she go deploy driver when no sabi go school. What I go do for school? Me wey live for school road for how many years? What I go inside school go do again? People wey dey live for school road, they suppose they go school again. Who school help? Then where go school? Where boot to her?
Come, make I tell you. Even me self, as you see me so, I don't dey reason that, reason am. I just dey pray one day, make madam go another business missionary. You go see wetin go happen for this house.
Business game.
Yeah?
That grandma wey the guy dey teach.
Which one be business missionary for this matter now? See, wetin una go dey yarn be say how madam go take pursue oga Philo comot for this house so.
See this one, this one they talk. You know what they call? Nyanyampo. Now you they talk. Madam don't swear to God to heaven and earth. Say if no be that man, instead make we go. If you don't know, ha. Hey.
See, whether you pursue am or you no pursue am, I no send anybody. My own be say, when I see that boy, when I see that thing where they black like back of my bum, I must show him paper in this house. If I no beat him, will you look me finish? A title man. Now because I come here, come wear coat. If you see me for village, now but that the first day will come here, waiting will come. No be village title men will be. You look me finish, carry cane, carry otalia when you see me anya that why. Ah, o take relaxation. Machi, if I no deal with him, he go call me bastard.
See, my own be say, me no dey talk this, me madam no comot 1 naira from my salary o. Na that one go pay me pass yo.
What it concern me? If she like, me she comot 2 naira. If she like, me she comot anything for your salary. I no send. If she like, in fact, me she comot every of your salary. You no concern me. Very soon, I go comot her and comot that boy. Comot their salary.
The only thing I understand for what you they talk gonna be say, you say one day you go beat the boy abi, clear on wachuku. Clear wachuku. You go beat who? You see this one that they talk now, The most important thing wey dey for my head now, my own job oh. You don't they talk about killing person. Make I tell you. Madam, yeah, they everywhere of this house. Oh. No, they see that woman action. Her ear they everywhere. Camera they all over this compound. My leg and my hand no down. Anything when I talk now, for my head the day. Wam. Kanga na my duty.
Pius, see my tell you. You dey hear me?
I dey hear you.
Smile small. See my tell you. Calm down. I go listen as you go take arrange jam this night, yeah? May my run go cook night food. If I cook finish, I will come back. I go reason am, yeah?
It's okay.
I dey come.
No vex. Anything in the kitchen, make I take whole body, make I put for mouth. This pain where they pepper me all over, make I know whether the thing go stop.
Huh?
Yes.
Eh?
Any...
Wait, now food come turn to your pain relief. I've been waiting.
Now pain relief, now all of them are the same thing. Pain relief, if you chop food, the numerizable was on pain.
Follow me. You know, say you like food pass your life. Follow me, where will you go? Follow me.
I go follow you.
Follow Caro.
Follow
Caro.
Why you arrow?
Follow Caro.
Obi ni gbe ore arrow ni le grow wa Radio get on. Follow who no road. Follow.
Pius! What is the meaning of this now? What's the meaning of this? Huh? Someone cannot take his best in peace in this house again. Huh?
What is the meaning of what?
See, this happened yesterday, and today is repeating itself again. What is this?
What did happen?
What happened to the water?
What happened to the water? Hearing water spirit. Water no dey finish for the house. No, where you came from, before you leave that place, come to this house. Water no dey finish. Of course, I know say na face me and face you, and na bucket you dey use bath. If you go back home, get tigre chawa n'elu. Get magonelu chawa. You ga pege anu ba, get pia ya maybe ya. Get bianga asoro mobile. Oh, you born the philosopher.
Pius! Who pumped the water?
Who they talk? You two follow the bathroom. Hey! Bathroom can't allow him. Shame not they catch you. Huh? So you go enter there, go the waste water anyhow. Water don't finish now. Make I ask yourself. What you they hide? Waiting you they hide. Not be this small thing will be like a tiny kekere. Now he enter bedroom, go lock door. If I be you, now bucket or bath until I need a quacker. Couldn't want more to cup me, go backyard. Wash this small thing where they your body. You go enter bedroom, go the waste water.
Pius, please. I beg of you in the name of God. Go and pump the water, please.
With which light? Which light I go take pump the water? Light in the day?
What's going on out here?
The water has just finished. And we are empty.
Pius,
Madam,
do I have to ask you to pump water again?
Madam, desire no day.
What you trying to say, desire? Diesel?
That petrol where they take a put for light, take and start the engine where they pump water. You know day.
Hey! Pius! So, you are trying to call diesel and you are pronouncing desire. Hey! You are blockhead! You don't know anything.
I know. Try talk and wear two of us only day. If you court now, everybody get trigger court. Mgbe na na go no talk am. I go block your anus, you no go shit for 2 weeks.
Pius, just come over. Let me give you some money to buy some diesel. Hurry up. Don't waste my time.
I hate you. You don't know anything.
I'm a Eba.
Blockhead.
I'm a Eba.
This is wrong. This is very, very wrong.
Okobro, ganda banda.
Pius, hurry up.
I'm coming, yes, ma. Pius, this is wrong. This is wrong. You'll never see anything. All right, thank you very much. This is Chief Imo and his crew. We beg all of you to keep subscribing to our channel, Chief Imo Comedy on YouTube. As you do that, God will bless you. God will bless you. Hip, hip, hip. Hooray! We love you all.
Love you guys.